Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says that if 1 plus I upon 1 minus I whole power m equals to 1, then find the least integral value of m. So in this question हमें m की वो सबसे minimum integral value बतानी है जिसके लिए 1 plus I upon 1 minus I power m की value कितनी होनी चाहिए? It should be equal to 1. So let's start the solution by understanding the key concept here. So key concept here we are using is integral power of I. So we know that if we are putting power 1, it is always going to be the same for which we are putting the power 1. किसी भी वैल्यू का पावर 1 क्या होता है? सेम रिजल्ट देता है. I स्क्वायर I का पावर 2 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? इट इज इक्वल टू -1. I पावर 3 कैन बी रिटन एज I स्क्वायर इंटू I. So I square is what? I square is -1. So -1 into I is -I. Similarly, I power 4 will be equal to what? It is equal to I square into I square, which is equal to -1 into -1 plus 1. Similarly, if I go for I power 5, it can be written as I power 3 into I square. I power 3 minus I square is -1, so it will become plus I. So in this way, we can find out the value for integral powers of I. So using this information, we'll solve our question. So let's start the solution. Here in the question we are given with 1 plus I upon 1 minus I whole power m is equals to 1. So first, for solving this question, we'll simplify this complex number 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into standard form. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. Here we have 1 minus I in the denominator. So we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. Whole power m is equals to 1. Simplifying it further. So 1 plus I into 1 plus I is going to be what? It will be equal to 1 plus 2I plus I square upon 1 plus I, 1 minus it will be 1 square minus I square. This whole power is equals to m. That should be equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus 2I, I square is -1, -1 upon 1 and I square is -1, so minus minus plus 1. Whole power m equals to 1. 1 and 1 get cancelled. We'll get here 2I upon 2. 2I upon 2 whole power m equals to 1. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So finally we get here I power m is equals to 1. So we have to tell the minimum value of m for which this I power m is equals to 1. So just now I have told you here that I power 4 is equals to what? 1. So 4 is the smallest integral value for which value becomes 1. So for m is equals to 4, we will get I power m is equals to 1. So therefore, least integral value of m is 4. So I hope everyone must have understood it well. Thank you. Best of luck.